level 640. This is a hard level, so I'm gonna walk you through my strategy on how to clear out this level. Okay, so just like any other levels, the first rule that we have to observe would be um to place our cat on single color cells, such as this light blue here. Then we cross out the row, cross out the column, cross out adjacent cells. Then we have another resulting single color cell, which is gold. So we cross out the column, we cross out the row. We no longer have a single color cell, but we have a color which can only be found on one column, which is the purple, and with that there is a resulting color which can be found on one row, that yellow there. Then with that purple
Nice.
now became we now only have one purple which is uncrossed. Then with that we will have to cross out other colors or other cells. Okay, we will try to cross them out. So like this pink here can be found only in one column. So we cross out the column, other colors in the column and potentially adjacent cells. Then we now have two yellow. So potentially adjacent cells will should be crossed out as well. Then red and brown can only be seen on the second to the last and the third to the last row. So any red or brown in other rows should be crossed out. Then on the fourth to the last row, there is green only there. So our green cat would be on the fourth to the last row. Cross out other cells. Cross out cells in other rows like that. Then okay, so with that, okay, so let's find where our next cat would be. So so with that with this one, what we're gonna do is we will try um to place our cat on limited color cells. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we will try um to eliminate limited color cells. So um we try to place our cat on limited color cells. So like if we're gonna put our yellow cat here, okay, so that means um that means green could be there are still two places for green, while for dark green could only be one or on the two, but for orange it's gonna be this color. So it means that there's still enough room for pink. There would still be enough room for pink, dark green, orange, and light green. So let's uncross that one. How about if we're gonna put um our dark green, if we're gonna put a dark green here, then it means that orange will be here, and then pink will be here, yellow will be here. Then there's still enough room for uh okay, then mm, this one red would be here or here. Okay, so let's uncross, since there would be enough room for all our cats if we're gonna do that. So it means that possible placement of cat will be in here. Okay, so what if we're gonna put red here? So it cannot be. Red cannot be there because there will be no more room for brown. Then it means that brown would be in this place and red would be here. Then it means that orange will be the orange cat. Alright, so that makes it easier. Then we place our pink cat on that one and dark green cat on that one. So the next step would be where to locate our other cat. So we cross out all the adjacent cells first. Alright, so if we're gonna put a yellow here, then this will be crossed out. So there will be no room for yellow. This will be crossed out. This is where our brown would be. This will be crossed out. So and this will be crossed out. So yellow cat cannot be there. So this is where our yellow cat will be.
Unbelievable! Unbelievable! Unbelievable!